Welcome back, everyone. So in the last video, we downloaded the RAR file, including all of the installation files for RM15, so now we're just simply going to install them. As I mentioned, we will install it in two parts. First, the support files installation, then the setup.exe. So we will simply click on support files installation. This usually takes about 6 or 7 seconds to install. And I encourage that you install this under Documents and then Roster Maker 15 by Amar Leoden. Okay, so the support files should now be installed. We can check that by going to Documents and then Roster Maker 15 and checking here. And as you can see, several new files have been added. This includes the README. It also includes the database that we'll need and a helpful template for how to format, structure your data before you put it into Roster Maker 15. Now we need to go back to the RAR file and install setup.exe, which will get you the main shell program for Roster Maker 15. And this usually installs very quickly, and there it is. So this is what Roster Maker 15 looks like. This is the main page for it. And next I will be telling you how to initialize, how to get started with actually using the program. And we'll cover that in the next video.